Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sambu from Cloud Tech. Today I will talk about Azure like a virtual machine metadata and how we can get the metadata like programmatically, how we can fetch that by using curl command, and then what the basically use of that metadata. So and then I will show you like which all details basically we can get from that Azure VM metadata. Okay guys, like basically we can get the user data, those things, right? So I will show you that. So for that, I have already created that VNet and then public IP. I have already provisioned one virtual machine also. So if you guys not yet watched my previous video about this like VNet virtual network, this virtual network is nothing but in AWS we used to call VPC, right? Here it is a VNet. So I have already created. So if you not yet watched my previous video about this VNet, so please have a look. I will give that link to this video description. Okay, guys. So let me show you how we can create a virtual machine. So deep details I have already explained in my previous session. So if you not yet watch, please have a look and I will quickly show you how we can create a virtual machine. So this is the link. If you just click on, if you're not able to see the virtual machine, here the search bar, you can search also. So and then I am in the free tier, so you can select that resource group. If you don't have resource group, then you can create also. Since I have already created, so let's use that one. And here we can give like that any name you can give here and select this whatever image like AMI you want to select. Let's select this one. And if you want to change, you can change also. Just click here, all image. Then it will show you like all the details here, which one you want to select. Okay, guys. So suppose I want to do the CentOS, you can do CentOS. If you want to Ubuntu, whatever you want, you can select that. Okay. So let's go to here. Ah, let's select this. Okay, guys. And let's go to here standard public and let's keep the user Azure user. If you want, you can change that user also. So and that this is the key pair. So key pair basically, if you have already, then you can utilize that one. And if you don't have, then you can create a new key pair, right? This is like a SSH key, which is PM file basically. So I have already created one key, so I can utilize that one. So let's allow the port 22. So as of now, if it is required, then we can increase that port, other port also. Okay, guys, and then review and create. So if you go to the networking, right? So let me show you that. So it is selected that whatever VNet we have, right? If you see, right, what we have created and the default subnet in that it is, and then it's creating on public IP. Okay, guys. So and review and create. Click on create. Will create. It will take few minutes to provision this VM. So meantime, I will talk about. I will take you in the Azure like a document page where the Azure metadata service instance metadata basically it is detailed is there. So you guys can have a look like how that link will look like, how the response, everything is here. Details is there. And then here all the different kind of endpoint also there. So I will give this link to this video description. You guys can have a look. Okay, guys. But here some little bit difference compared to that AWS. Like in AWS, basically, while we are fetching the metadata, right? We no need to give that this one API version and then metadata. If you not give the metadata as true, right? It won't work actually. Okay, guys. So let's go to here. It is still deployed. Still deploying. It is running. Just wait few minutes, so it will. So it's created. Okay, guys. Now go to the resource. So this is the VM we created, and this is the public IP. So let's select this public IP and let's connect. So connect that you can use either mobile extreme or putty whatever that SSH third-party client you have, you can utilize that. So for me now I will use this one, and here you can select the PM file. So I have already selected. So let's click on yes. And user same as it is Azure user. Okay, guys. So check it. So it is created. So let's switch to the super user. Clear this. Okay, guys. Now I have noted down all the steps. So let me show you a couple of steps. So these are the steps we have here. So like curl command, this is the curl command. This will give you like all the details, all the compute details, like instance metadata details. And if you want like a specific tag, then you can use this one. And if you want like all the other like instance ID, or you want something else, then you can like public IP address or private IP address, or you want complete computing what all component is there, right? That you want to see, then you can see. Let me show you one by one. Okay, guys, so let's go here. So it is printed here, right? It's a plain text format. Basically, it is a JSON file. So here, if we do some formatting right here, let me show you that. Okay, JQ by default. One more thing, guys. By default, JQ is not installed here. So we can install that JQ. So let me show you how we can install quickly. So that is installing. It will take few minutes or few seconds. It will be complete. Once it is installed, right, then it will be show you like that whatever output we have seen here in the text format, right? So this kind of, right, it is not proper indented, right? So it's reading, it will be very difficult, right? So if you want to read, either you have to do some formatting like a proper JSON or something like that, right? So let's try this one again. See, now it's printed like proper output, right? So if you want to do by JQs, and how we can install the JQ, so this is the command. If you just do use, then it will install, or other ones is the this one, the command. It is giving hints, right? So if you see here, all the details is given here, and what the subscription ID, what the key or for the particular, what the Medix ID, then name, the public IP, private IP, everything. So all the thing is there, and computing details, basically this one. So if you say here like tags, whatever tags is there, and what the PM ID, everything is there. Okay. So as of now, I don't have any tag. So let me show you that if you give the tag, that also it will come. So tag, if you want, you can create here tag. So like suppose I want to give, okay. And then let's give the why we need this metadata. So that metadata is need, suppose you are doing some programming or you are doing some programmatic thing, right? And in that programmatic, you want basically instance ID, or maybe you want some tag. Based on the tag, you want to do some specific action, right? Then in that case, this metadata, fetch this metadata, it will helpful. So let me show you how we can get the tags, that's tag, right? So this is the command I written here, tag, and it will print. And then if you just uh, echo this tag, we'll able to see that tag. So let me show you that. So just go to all that. So okay, guys. See, this is the tag we have. If it is a multiple tag, we can get that also. Okay, guys. And suppose you want that particular instance ID, right? So before giving the instance ID, let's show you that computing stuff first. Okay, guys. So let me show you that computing here. So this is the computing command. So let me, I will give this all this command to this video description, so that it will be easy to you to get. So if you see this one, right, this is the computing. Let's do the formatting also. See, here it is the computing, and here the location, nothing but which region it is there, and name of this VM what we gave, right? And then OS type, then offer, then platform. These are the publisher and SKU version, VM ID, right? VM ID is nothing but the instance ID, right? If you want this instance ID, then how we can get the instance ID? So just in that same metadata query, just we need to add that instance ID. So let me show you that query also I have written here. Okay, guys, so let me show you this. So let's drag this one. Let's type here. Now we go. Now this is the metadata ID, right? We can get it here. So if you see, this is the VM ID is nothing but instance ID basically. Okay, guys. So we can get it. So like this, we can get like tag, region, location. If you want location also, like region, that also you can get, like this particular VM, which region it is located, right? That also you can get. So I hope this session will helpful to you guys. And if you like this session, and if you feel this video is valuable to you guys, then please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. It will really inspire to me. Okay, guys, see you in my next video. Bye.